Namaskar. The recipe that I am going to show you today is a beetroot hummus and a tzatziki. In my last video of chicken keema kebabs, I had mentioned two dips. There was a yogurt dip, so there is one here. The first one is a beetroot hummus, which is a Mediterranean dish. It is a protein and an iron-rich recipe, protein of the chana and iron in the beetroot, and the ingredients are as listed here. To start with, take the chana and soak it overnight in cold water. Wash and add water to cover, and now you pressure cook. Take one beetroot, slice it into half and pressure cook along with the chana. 1 spoon you peel and chop it into pieces. Add the chana to the blender and drain the liquid. Do not add any water. It has to be ground dry. Add the beetroot on the top. Toast the cumin seeds on a low flame. 1 spoon you grind them to a fine powder. Grind the peppercorns. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. I have used sunflower oil. Add the peanut butter. In a traditional recipe of hummus, tahini sauce is used. I have substituted it with peanut butter in this recipe. Add the sea salt. Normal salt can also be used. Add the pepper and the cumin powder. Grind all the ingredients to a fine paste. You may have to stop the mixie and stir in between as no water is used. Cut 2 lemons in halves. Squeeze the juice in the jar. I have used 3 halves in this recipe. Now your hummus is almost ready. Taste and adjust the seasonings as per your liking. Top it with oil. A layer of oil on the top prevents the hummus from drying. Garnish it with sesame and toasted cumin seeds. Hummus is ready. The second recipe that I am showing you is called tzatziki, which is a Greek origin dish. It's used as a sauce or a dip. It's very cool and refreshing, has got a sharp and a zingy taste. The ingredients that we require are as follows. Take 2 cups of dahi, put it in a muslin cloth spread on a strainer. Hang it for minimum half an hour to remove the water. Take 2 cucumbers, peel them and grate. Add the salt. Mix well and leave it for 30 minutes. This will take out all the water. Now you squeeze and remove all the water and set it aside. Take garlic. Crush the garlic, chop it fine. Slightly pound it to make it to a fine paste. In a mixing bowl, you take the curd. Add the cucumber and the garlic. Add oil, the vinegar. Add the chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now mix everything quite well. Keep this in the fridge for 2 hours for best results and then serve. Tzatziki is ready. You can serve these dips with whole wheat crackers or salted biscuits and they taste absolutely divine. In case you like this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel The Moody Foodie and share. Thank you.